How are marital debts, with joint liability divided in divorce? Imagine sharing a pizza with a friend and agreeing to split the slices. Now picture that pizza as a marriage's debts. When a marriage ends, those debts need to be divided fairly. In family law, marital debts with joint liability are debts both spouses are responsible for, like credit cards, mortgages, or loans taken out during the marriage. Both spouses are equally responsible, no matter who signed the agreement. If one spouse doesn't pay, the creditor can come after the other. Marital debt is different from non-marital debt, which is debt one spouse took on before marriage or after separation. Non-marital debts usually stay with the person who incurred them. When couples divorce, the court looks at all the debts and assets they share, called the marital estate. The goal is to divide debts fairly based on certain factors. These include each spouse's income and ability to pay, how long they were married, and how much each contributed financially or non-financially to the marriage. If one spouse wasted marital assets or accumulated debt irresponsibly, that can influence how debts are split. Couples can also create a property settlement agreement. This is a written plan that states who will pay which debts. Having a clear agreement helps prevent surprises later. It's also wise to close joint credit card and bank accounts during divorce to avoid adding more debt. If one spouse fails to pay as agreed, the other can take legal action, like filing a lawsuit for breach of contract. In states that follow community property rules, debts are usually split equally unless there's a different agreement. In states that follow equitable distribution, debts are divided based on fairness. Sometimes, certain debts are assigned only to the spouse who incurred them, especially if they are for personal reasons unrelated to the marriage. Overall, dividing marital debts with joint liability involves understanding the responsibilities both spouses share and how the law guides fair division. It's important to address these debts properly through agreements or court decisions to ensure both parties are protected and debts are settled fairly.